Whether managing a busy cafe, juice bar, or restaurant, the right commercial blender can significantly elevate your efficiency and the quality of your blends. In this video, we'll explore the top 7 commercial blenders ranked from number 7 to the very best at number 1. After testing each model extensively under real commercial conditions, I'll share detailed insights into their performance, durability, design, and overall value. Plus, I'll give you the inside scoop on little details that might make or break their usability in a hectic kitchen. Stick around for the full list, especially for the number 1 spot, which is a true game changer. 7. Breville BBL620. Starting off at number 7, the Breville BBL620SIL Furious Blender offers a nice entry point for those looking for a versatile machine with a sleek design, powered by an 1100-watt motor. It features 5 pre-programmed settings that simplify the blending of smoothies, frozen desserts, and even juices. What immediately stood out to me during testing was its intuitive digital interface, including a large LCD that displays blending time and speed. This blender feels well-suited for smaller commercial setups or boutique cafes where appearance and ease of use matter. That said, the motor power, while decent, isn't quite up to the task for prolonged heavy use. When pushing it to blend dense mixtures like nut butters or thick frozen smoothies, the motor tends to struggle, slowing down a bit and producing an occasional humming noise that signals it's working hard. I also found the jar capacity, 50 ounces, to be limiting when compared to other commercial blenders that often handle over 60 ounces. This makes it less ideal for high-volume prep or large batch blending. Another minor gripe was the blade design, which, while sharp, didn't always create the smoothest blends when dealing with tougher ingredients. The lid system, though secure, makes quick rinsing a bit of a hassle during back-to-back uses, something to consider in a fast-paced commercial kitchen. Overall, the Breville BBL620 excels as a stylish, moderately powerful blender for lighter commercial use, but falls short when heavy-duty performance is a priority. 6. Hamilton Beach Commercial HBB255. Coming in at number 6, the Hamilton Beach Commercial HBB255 is a powerhouse in its own right, albeit with some caveats. This blender boasts a solid 3.5 peak horsepower motor and comes with a durable, BPA-free 64-ounce polycarbonate jar that's sizable enough for most commercial tasks. In my testing, I appreciated how robust its motor was. It crushed ice, frozen fruits, and tough vegetables with relative ease, making it a reliable workhorse. However, the blender's noise levels are significant, with a strong buzzing sound that may disrupt quieter environments or early mornings. While it can certainly withstand the demands of a busy kitchen, the controls are very basic, just 3 speeds and a pulse function. This lack of variable speed means you have less control for nuanced blends such as delicate sauces or lighter smoothies, which require more finesse. The jar configuration sometimes requires frequently stopping to scrape down sides or stir, as ingredients can get stuck beneath the blade, which interrupts workflow. Its build quality is tough and designed to withstand commercial rigors, but it doesn't boast the refined blending capabilities of some higher-end machines. If noise isn't a deal-breaker and raw power is your focus, the Hamilton Beach HBB255 delivers value and dependability for the price. 5. Vitamix E310. At number 5 on the list is the Vitamix E310 Explorer series, a blender that consistently impresses for its balance of power, precision, and usability. Equipped with a robust 2.0 peak horsepower motor and a 48-ounce container, this blender fits comfortably on most countertops, ideal for small to mid-sized businesses. What stood out during my hands-on experience was the variable speed control dial, combined with a pulse feature. This lets you fine-tune the blend to your exact preference, from coarse salsas to creamy smoothies. The Vitamix E310 efficiently pulverized tough ingredients like nuts, kale, and frozen fruits without bogging down. Its laser-cut stainless steel blades retain their sharpness and resist wear over time, making it a durable investment. Noise levels were reasonable, much quieter than other commercial blenders I've tested, so it fits well in environments sensitive to noise. One limitation is the container size. It may require multiple batches if working with large orders, which could slow productivity. Also, unlike some higher-end models, it lacks pre-programmed blending cycles, meaning there's a learning curve to dialing in perfect textures manually. Nonetheless, its smooth operation, consistent power, and simple cleaning make the Vitamix E310 a strong contender for small business owners seeking commercial-grade quality without breaking the bank. 4. Vitamix 5200. The Vitamix 5200, landing at number 4, is a revered staple in commercial kitchens, and my testing confirms why. Powered by a hefty 2.2 peak horsepower motor, this blender delivers exceptional versatility and stamina. It effortlessly breaks down everything from leafy greens for smoothies to grains for flours, plus hot soups, all without the motor overheating or slowing. The variable speed dial is responsive and allows you to find just the right speed for every texture. I particularly liked the 64-ounce container's large capacity, which accelerates batch preparation for busy environments. The vented lid design cleverly manages steam for hot blends, making it useful beyond just cold drinks. However, it's important to note that the 5200 lacks pre-programmed cycles, so manual attention is required during blending. This may slow workflow if users want automated convenience. Additionally, the blender's height can be an issue under lower cabinets, which should be considered when planning kitchen space. Still, its consistent performance and rugged construction make it a favorite for commercial use, offering great value as a reliable, versatile blender for nearly any food service operation. 3. Vitamix Professional Series 750 Blender. Claiming third place, the Vitamix Professional Series 750 combines the tried-and-true power of the Vitamix brand with smart technology designed to enhance efficiency. Its 2.2 peak horsepower motor powers the blender through tough ingredients with ease, but it's the addition of 5 pre-programmed blending settings that really elevate this machine. These preset cycles, smoothies, soups, frozen desserts, purees, and self-cleaning mean you can walk away with confidence that your blend will come out perfect every time, which is a real workflow booster in busy kitchens. The 64-ounce low-profile container doesn't just fit under most cabinets. It's made from BPA-free Eastman Triton plastic, renowned for its durability, resistance to stains, and minimal odor retention. During testing, the Professional Series 750 delivered flawlessly smooth smoothies and soups, crushing ice and frozen fruits without hesitation. The touchscreen controls and digital timer make operation intuitive even for new users. One minor caveat: extended blending of very thick mixtures can cause the motor to heat up, necessitating brief breaks to avoid overheating. This is fairly common with high-powered commercial blenders. Despite this, the 750's combination of convenient automation, reliable power, and ease of cleaning make it an excellent choice for serious food service professionals seeking efficiency and consistency. 2. Blendtec Stealth 885 Commercial Blender. Runner-up on our list is the Blendtec Stealth 885, a revolutionary commercial blender that merges industrial power with groundbreaking sound insulation. Featuring an extraordinarily powerful 3.8 peak horsepower motor, this blender crushed every ingredient I threw at it. From dense frozen fruit to hard nuts, achieving ultra-smooth blends at remarkable speeds. The standout feature of the Stealth 885 is its quiet operation, thanks to a patented sound enclosure that muffles the typical loud blender roar. This makes it especially valuable for environments such as cafes or juice bars that open early or operate in noise-sensitive areas. The blender offers programmable blending cycles with full customization options via an LED touchscreen, allowing precise control of speed, time, and even temperature. The large, sturdy container handles high-volume blending without faltering, perfect for busy commercial setups. On the downside, the Stealth 885 is quite heavy and bulky, requiring a generous amount of counter space that some kitchens may find challenging to accommodate. Its premium price tag also places it out of reach for smaller businesses or those with simpler blending needs. Yet, if silence, velocity, and power are top priorities, this blender offers unmatched performance with the added luxury of quiet processing. 1. Waring Commercial CB15P. And finally, the undisputed #1 commercial blender on our list is the Waring Commercial CB15P, a model that embodies strength, durability, and reliability. With a commanding 3.5 peak horsepower motor, this blender pulverizes even the most stubborn ingredients, including frozen fruits, nuts, and dense batters, with ease. Throughout exhaustive testing, the CB15P maintained consistent power output, never hesitating or overheating, even during long periods of continuous use, something that's critical for high-demand commercial settings. The 64-ounce polycarbonate jar is engineered for commercial toughness, resisting cracks and warping while maintaining lightweight convenience. Controls consist of a variable speed dial plus a pulse feature, affording users fine control over blend texture while remaining straightforward and intuitive. The unit's overall build quality is top-notch, designed to withstand the rigors of daily professional kitchen abuse. Another highlight is Waring's dedicated customer service and excellent availability of replacement parts, which makes maintaining the blender over years straightforward and cost-effective. While it isn't the quietest blender, you're trading away noise for sheer power and longevity, qualities that are non-negotiable in a busy commercial environment. If reliability, raw performance, and ease of maintenance are priorities, the CB15P reigns supreme as the best commercial blender option on the market. Final thought. There you have it, an in-depth look at 7 of the best commercial blenders available today. Whether your priority is budget, technology, volume capacity, power, or quiet operation, this list has something to suit every professional kitchen's needs. Thanks for watching. May your next commercial blender elevate your business to delicious new heights.